AL Language Cafe. Learn Chinese the fun way. Ready to easily and effectively learn Chinese characters? Chinese characters for beginners. Let's start learning the characters from easy to difficult. Then, form words and phrases with the practiced characters. In addition, you will gain useful knowledge while practicing. We also have videos to show you stroke order and pronunciation of each character. By completing the set, you will have mastered the 300 characters, 480 words, and 330 phrases. Don't wait! Start mastering Chinese now!
Available at Amazon and Barnes Noble.
Tired of reading boring Chinese materials? Check out our Chinese leveled readers based on the HSK standard. Our stories cover a wide range of interesting topics for students of all levels, from beginners to advanced learners. The stories include pinyin, English translations, and audio recordings read by native Chinese speakers. Learn Chinese the fun way. Ebook available at Amazon, Apple Books, Barnes & Noble, Kobo. Paperback available at Amazon. The Ghost with Painted Skin, The Headless Ghost, The Vengeful Spirit, The Fox Spirit, The Tree Demon. Welcome to the world of Chinese ghosts. The book Chinese Ghost Stories for Language Learners presents 15 new adaptations of classic Chinese literary works. Each story is presented in English and Chinese side by side with explanations of key terms to enhance your understanding and further explore Chinese mythology, beliefs, and culture. Come and discover the mythical world of ancient Chinese ghosts. Available at Amazon.